Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see how to create basic shapes in Premiere Pro. So let's get right into it. So just add a black video or a sequence. I will just add a black video. Just drag it to the timeline. Increase its size. And what you need to do is just click and hold on this pen tool right here. So now you can see these three tools right over here. So if you want to draw a rectangle, you can just click on it, and there we go. We have this nice rectangle. I will just move to our selection tool. I will just little bit do it here. And if you want to draw a circle, what you need to do is just click and hold on this, and you have this ellipse tool. Just draw it like this. So if you just want the outline of these shapes, so just click on the shapes, any shape which you want. Head over to Effect Controls panel. Just make sure which shape you are selecting, and just check this stroke box and uncheck this fill box, and you have this just stroke here. You can see this, and we can do same for our ellipse. Just go here, just check this box, uncheck the fill box, change the color whichever you want, hit enter, and there we go. We have our red color ellipse with just a stroke. That is it for this week's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did so, please don't forget to like this video and consider subscribing me, because if you want more tutorials of Premiere Pro and many more, so do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So thanks for watching.